If you need a business plan to start or expand and operate a company, then this is for you. An industry-specific business plan template package that is easy to use and customize. What you get: a PDF tutorial that explains each section of the business plan template, a business plan template in Microsoft Word to use for starting and operating your company, an Excel financial model with all necessary statements to create startup costs, budgets, and project income for your company, a pitch deck to make a professional presentation of the business. By working with the business planning template documents and utilizing the written content, figures, and research supplied, users will have professional startup and operating documents for their business.
Using the plug-and-plan template to write an executive summary for a company can be done by simply finding the yellow highlighted space on the page and entering your company name. There is also a blue highlighted space where you can type in the location on where the company will be providing services and/or operating from. If users would like to use the template content as a guide and make changes to the writing to best suit their exact business, that can be done. Users are welcome to stay with the written content the template supplies if it is suitable for their company. Using the plug-and-plan template, the next page has a chart which provides a financial summary of the company's next few years of operations. This chart highlights total income and net income. After users have customized the financial statements for their specific company, they will want to return to this chart and make changes so that they match the new financial statements. By right-clicking this chart, a pop-out will appear. The pop-out will provide several options. Users want to scroll down to Edit Data or Edit Data in Excel, and the data table will appear. Once they're in the table, type in and make the necessary changes to the figures. The plug-and-plan template provides a mission statement. Users are welcome to use the statement as if it will work for their specific company or change it if needed to match up to the exact operation. The plug-and-plan template also provides some sample and example objectives for a company. Users are welcome to use them as is if it will work for their specific company, or change it if needed to match up to the exact operation. The template provides sample content that can be used for a company operating in the industry. Users can feel free to use as they wish. Utilizing the plug-and-plan template, the user will see on the first line there is a yellow highlighted area to type the name of the company. In the second paragraph, there is a blue highlighted area where users will type in the location of where they will be headquartered and operating. If the company will be a small business operating virtually and/or out of a home office, users can add the country, city, state, and neighborhood of where it will be. If there will be an actual office space or a brick-and-mortar business with a storefront, then put those details here when they are known. Type in here what will best suit the specific situation. There is written content for a business operating in the industry the company will be in. Read through the narrative and change anything needed in order to match up exactly to the proposed company. Users are welcome to keep the sample narrative supplied by the template. Management and Organization Tutorial and Instructions. Management and organization are the next section of the business plan. The first subsection here details management. The individuals responsible for operating and overseeing the company should be listed. The next subsection is organization. Here, the template supplies an organizational chart. The chart is in the form of a smart art graphic which shows the organizational structure of the company. Here, the names and titles of the individuals who will be running the company should be detailed. Other employees, contractors, board members, etc. can be inserted into the organizational chart. Often, small businesses may have a limited number of employees. In this case, it is acceptable to detail outsourced help and resources such as an attorney, accountant, etc. It is important to identify any and all required personnel to run the company. If the specific individuals needed have not yet been identified, entering TBA, to be determined, is an option. The plug-and-plan template provides sample content that can be used for the marketing and sales strategy of a company in the industry. If users have some specific marketing methods that are not mentioned, feel free to add them. In the plug-and-plan template, users are supplied with a solid market analysis that can be used. Research references are sourced in the back of the plan under the addendum section. In this section, the target market is also discussed for the business. The template provides a high-level target market analysis that can be used as is, or users can add to this area of the business plan by searching for some specific data about the target market they will be operating in. If users wish to dig deeper into their target market and add information into the plan, they will be looking for data such as the demographics of the customers the company will be targeting. The results of an internet search for this information can then be pasted into the business plan here in this section. The plug-and-plan template has a blue highlighted space where users can type in the location of their business and where it will operate. The plug-and-plan template provides a general competitive analysis and advantage statement for the industry that can be used as is or as base content to add to. If users wish, they can add specific competitors within their market. A sample SWOT analysis is included as well with the plug-and-plan template, which covers the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for the business. This SWOT analysis is in the form of a smart art graphic. By clicking it and entering each area of the graphic, users can customize the points if needed to suit their specific company. When using the plug-and-plan template, under the Products and Services section, users will want to type in the specific products and/or services the company will be offering. There is sample content for a company in the industry that can be used as a base guideline or utilized as is. The template has an appendix pasted into the business plan Word document. The assumptions are taken from the Excel worksheets, and users can paste in their own specific assumptions based on their exact venture after completing the Excel workbook. Users of the plug-and-plan template and its accompanying Excel workbook are welcome to use the sample figures as a guide to create their own appendix. Cover page tutorial and instructions. A cover page for a business plan provides information about the business, such as name of the company and contact information. On the cover page of the Plug-in Plan template, users will need to insert the name of their company in the yellow highlighted space. Also, on the cover page are some blue highlighted spaces where they will want to enter contact information. The template comes with spaces for name, email, and phone, and users are welcome to add address if they would like. Users may also want to paste their logo if they have one onto the cover page. There is a placeholder design here which can be kept or clicked on and deleted and replaced. Users of the template can add several different cover page designs by clicking on the Insert tab on the top of the Microsoft Word menu. Once there, to the far left will be the cover page option. Table of Contents Tutorial and Instructions. The table of content for a business plan details what is in the plan, the sections, headings, and page numbers. The Plug-in Plan template has a table of contents that can be updated to reflect any changes made to the document. Once users have completed customizing the whole business plan, they can come back here and click on the table. A tab will open above the contents. Enter this tab which says Update Table. Click the Update Table wording on the tab and a pop-up that says Update Table of Contents will appear. The options will be Update Pages Only or Update Entire Table. Typically, Update Entire Table is appropriate. Then click OK. The table of contents will then automatically update. Confidentiality Agreement Tutorial and Instructions. Next is the Confidentiality Agreement. The template provides content to protect the company from unauthorized use of information obtained from the business plan. Users are welcome to utilize the sample agreement but encouraged to seek legal counsel of their own since we are providing no legal advice and only providing a sample or example template document. There are several yellow highlighted areas where users are required to enter the name of their company. There are blue highlighted spaces as well where information on the individual signing the agreement will be entered. Cover page tutorial and instructions. A cover page for a business plan provides information about the business, such as name of the company and contact information. On the cover page of the Plug-in Plan template, users will need to insert the name of their company in the yellow highlighted space. Also, on the cover page are some blue highlighted spaces where they will want to enter contact information. The template comes with spaces for name, email, and phone, and users are welcome to add address if they would like. Users may also want to paste their logo if they have one onto the cover page. There is a placeholder design here which can be kept or clicked on and deleted and replaced. Users of the template can add several different cover page designs by clicking on the Insert tab on the top of the Microsoft Word menu. Once there, to the far left will be the cover page option.